Hi, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today my recipe tomato soup. This is actually a rainy special cream of tomato soup. Take a half kg of tomatoes. Red color tomatoes is very nice. And 100 grams of carrot. 1 small onion. Only 1 garlic clove. And 1 bay leaf. 1 cardamom. 1 clove. 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. And 9 to 10 black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and few coriander stems. If you don't have, leave them. And add 1 cup of water. Close and keep for 2 whistles. Once cool down, remove bay leaf and transfer to mixie jar entire cooked tomatoes with water. And grind finely. Strain it. And add 1/4 or half cup of water. If you want more soup, you can add another half cup of water. But this is perfect thickness for soup. Remove the extra part. And this is perfect thickness. And once again, boil it. If you want more spiciness, you can add a little bit salt and black pepper. If you have children, do not add pepper. And take 4 to 5 bread slices, cut the edges, and cut into 4 parts each bread, like as shown. And in 2-3 tablespoon oil, fry them. Do not put more oil. Bread will absorb entire oil. Once fried, take from a flame. Boiling soup. Once boiled, you can add fresh cream for tastiness. This is cream of tomato soup. Add cream 3 tablespoons is enough for this quantity, and stir 1 or 2 minutes. Then flame off. Now serve with bread. We can serve for 4 peoples this quantity of bread. Add the bread slices, very crispy. and decorate with a small coriander leaf. Thank you for watching.